How to create custom business email. If you are also trying to create custom business email using your domain or using your website, then this is the right video for you. Okay guys, so welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how can you create custom email using your cPanel. It is too much easy and simple. So first of all, you have to click in the email account, okay, or you can directly go in your cPanel. Then after that, just you have to search email from here. Then just click in the email accounts to create custom email. Then after that, so now we can say I have a lot of types of the custom email available here. Then just click in the create. Okay guys, so now we can see here it is giving me a new window. So first of all, you have to select your domain. Okay, so I have various type of the subdomains also available here. Then after that, just you have to select your username here. So I am just giving tech, okay, technology. I'm just giving this one. And after that, just you have to set your password, or you can directly generate it from here also. Okay. Then after that, just you have to click in the create. Okay, so after clicking in the create, so now we can see creating an email, and it is telling that you created 𝗧𝘂𝗁𝗲𝗂𝗁.com successfully. So I'm just coming here and just click in the check email. So now you can see here my webmail is logging. Okay, so after that, just you have to click in the open, or you can set up your email for your device also, for your smartphone and for your iPhone, Apple, like that. Okay, but in this time I am not setting up anything, so it is taking a little bit long time. So now you can see finally I'm inside my custom email. So in this way you can also create a custom email using your domain and subdomain.